Every cement factory begins with the extraction of high-quality limestone from carefully planned quarries.
Powerful excavation equipment removes the limestone that forms the foundation of every cement factory.
Freshly extracted limestone is carefully collected before beginning its journey through the cement factory production process.
Every journey inside the cement factory starts with safely transporting raw limestone to the primary crushing system. The primary crusher begins reducing massive limestone rocks into manageable pieces for the next stage of the cement factory process.
Primary crushing transforms raw limestone into uniform material, preparing it for the next stage inside the cement factory. Accurate screening ensures only properly sized limestone continues through the cement factory production process.
The processed limestone leaves the quarry and moves continuously toward the cement factory for the next stage of production.
Inside the cement factory, the receiving system regulates a steady flow of limestone for efficient and continuous production. The cement factory stores raw limestone in carefully managed stockpiles to ensure a stable and uninterrupted production process.
The bucket wheel reclaimer delivers a continuous and controlled supply of limestone, keeping the cement factory production line operating without interruption.
Precise proportioning ensures every cement factory maintains the exact raw material composition required for high-quality cement production.
Carefully blended raw materials now enter the cement factory's raw grinding system, where preparation for clinker production begins.
Inside the cement factory, the raw grinding mill transforms blended minerals into a fine raw meal ready for precise separation. The dynamic separator ensures that only perfectly ground raw meal continues through the cement factory production process. Uniform raw meal composition is essential for producing consistent, high-quality cement inside the cement factory. The homogenized raw meal reaches the preheater tower, where intense heat begins preparing it for the transformation into cement clinker. Inside the cement factory preheater, hot exhaust gases begin transferring energy to the raw meal before it reaches the rotary kiln.
Stage by stage, the cement factory preheater raises the raw meal temperature, preparing it for efficient calcination before entering the rotary kiln.
Inside the cement factory calciner, intense heat begins the chemical transformation that prepares the raw meal for clinker formation inside the rotary kiln.
Inside the cement factory rotary kiln, the heated raw meal begins its final journey toward becoming cement clinker.
At the heart of the cement factory, extreme heat transforms the raw minerals into glowing clinker, the essential ingredient of cement.
Freshly formed clinker leaves the rotary kiln and enters the cement factory grate cooler, where rapid cooling preserves its essential mineral structure.
Rapid cooling locks in the clinker's properties, preparing it for the final grinding stage inside the cement factory. After controlled cooling, the cement factory transports clinker to storage before the final grinding process begins. The cement factory stores clinker under carefully controlled conditions, ensuring a stable and uninterrupted supply for the final grinding stage. Before final grinding, the cement factory precisely blends clinker with gypsum to produce high-quality cement with controlled setting characteristics.
Inside the cement factory grinding mill, clinker and gypsum are transformed into the ultra-fine cement powder used in modern construction.
The cement factory separator ensures that only perfectly fine cement continues to storage, while coarse particles return for further grinding. The cement factory stores finished cement under sealed conditions, preserving its quality before automatic packaging begins.
Precision automation allows the cement factory to fill every cement bag with consistent weight, accuracy, and efficiency. Automated palletizing prepares every cement factory cement bag for safe storage and efficient transportation. Every cement factory pallet is securely wrapped to protect the cement during storage, handling, and transportation.
The cement factory warehouse stores every finished pallet under organized inventory control, ensuring rapid and accurate customer dispatch.
Every cement factory shipment is verified and prepared with precision before leaving the warehouse for delivery.
Every cement factory shipment is loaded with precision to ensure safe transportation from the factory to construction sites and distributors. With production complete, the cement factory delivers its finished cement to construction projects that shape cities and infrastructure around the world. Behind every operating system, the cement factory relies on continuous monitoring to maintain efficiency, quality, and safety throughout the production process. From a single control room, the cement factory synchronizes every stage of production with precision and continuous real-time monitoring. Continuous monitoring ensures every cement factory maintains consistent product quality, maximum efficiency, and uninterrupted production. The cement factory distribution system directs finished cement efficiently toward different delivery methods, from packaged bags to bulk transportation.
Bulk loading allows the cement factory to deliver large quantities of cement efficiently for major construction projects.
Before reaching customers, every batch of cement factory cement undergoes strict laboratory testing to ensure reliability and performance. Final approval from the Cement Factory Quality Laboratory confirms that every batch meets strict production standards before delivery.
Automated inspection systems ensure that every cement factory cement bag meets quality requirements before reaching customers.
Robotic palletizing allows the cement factory to prepare large quantities of cement quickly, safely, and consistently.
Every cement factory pallet receives final protection and identification before entering the organized storage and distribution system. The cement factory warehouse uses organized systems to protect finished products and ensure efficient order fulfillment.
Behind every cement factory delivery, advanced planning systems coordinate storage, orders, and transportation with precision.
With automated inventory control, the cement factory retrieves the exact shipment required while maintaining speed and accuracy. For global distribution, the cement factory carefully prepares every shipment before loading and transportation. Careful container loading protects cement factory products as they begin their journey to customers around the world.
After final verification, cement factory shipments are sealed and prepared for reliable transportation to their destinations.
The cement factory shipment begins its journey beyond the production site, carrying finished cement toward construction markets and customers.
Every shipment connects the production process with the structures built around the world.
At the delivery terminal, cement factory shipments are carefully received and prepared for their final journey to construction projects.
The final distribution stage connects cement factory production with local suppliers, builders, and construction projects. From the cement factory production line to the construction site, cement completes the journey that transforms raw materials into real-world structures.
The cement factory's final product becomes the foundation material that helps create buildings, roads, and modern infrastructure. Cement from the cement factory continues its journey as strong foundations begin taking shape on construction sites.
As concrete cures and strengthens, the cement factory's cement continues supporting the growth of modern infrastructure.
From a single cement factory production line, cement becomes part of the infrastructure that shapes entire communities.
The journey of cement factory cement continues beyond production, becoming the foundation of cities, roads, and modern infrastructure.
The cement factory operates as a continuous cycle, transforming natural materials into the cement that builds the world around us.
The cement factory begins each production cycle by precisely crushing and preparing limestone for the next stages of cement manufacturing.
The cement factory carefully stores and blends raw materials to maintain a stable and precise production process. The cement factory reclaiming system delivers a continuous and controlled flow of raw materials for efficient cement production. The cement factory precisely measures and feeds raw materials into the raw mill, beginning the transformation into fine raw meal.
Inside the cement factory raw mill, natural materials are transformed into a fine raw meal ready for the next stage of cement production. The cement factory stores and blends raw meal carefully, ensuring a consistent feed for the high-temperature kiln process.
The cement factory preheater tower begins heating the raw meal efficiently before it enters the intense kiln transformation process. Inside the cement factory preheater tower, controlled heat exchange prepares raw meal for the final chemical transformation stage.
Inside the cement factory calciner, controlled heat transforms the raw meal and prepares it for the final high-temperature clinker formation process. Deep inside the cement factory rotary kiln, extreme heat transforms raw meal into clinker, the foundation of modern cement production. After leaving the cement factory kiln, hot clinker is rapidly cooled to preserve the quality needed for final cement production. The cement factory stores clinker safely before the final grinding stage transforms it into finished cement. The cement factory carefully combines clinker with additives to create the exact composition required for high-quality cement.
Inside the cement factory cement mill, clinker and additives are finely ground into the finished cement powder used around the world.
The cement factory separator ensures every cement particle reaches the precise quality required for strength and performance.